Hi, I'm Alejandro Hoyos, and today we're here in Berlin for the launch event of Intel Core Ultra Series 2. And with us we have here Frank from LG. Hey Frank, how's it going?
Hey, very good. Thanks for being here.
No, thanks for you being here. And what do we have here? This is an amazing laptop.
Yeah, absolutely it is. Actually, this is the all-new LG Gram laptop. This, let's say, next generation. And as you can guess, it's all based on Intel Lunar Lake processor.
Right. So the new Core Ultra processor, and I think I can tell from how light it is and how thin it looks. Amazing.
Absolutely, actually. This has been the main USP of our Gram for, let's say, since ever we're doing it, right? Because Gram, and that is where the name comes from, it's got not a kilogram, it's got not a lot of pounds, but it's just got some 900 to 1,000 grams, and that is actually why we called it, or even Gram, right? And also in this design, as you can see, it's slim, it's stylish, but it's really, really lightweight. And though still extremely durable, we are providing all of the, let's say, military standards even for durability.
No, that is great. So tell us a little bit more about like what the ports and storage and maybe battery, anything they can...
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, we got a high performance battery in there. That is also one of the, let's say, selling points why we're calling this the ideal business traveler, right? So our current battery is 77 watt hours. Right, and that will easily bring you, with all of the, let's say, efficiency of processor and components, will easily bring you to a battery life of more than 20 hours. So in the past I was saying this is more than a working day. Significantly, obviously now it's more than 2 working days if you want to work like that, right?
Yeah.
Looking into the interfaces, actually we are having USB-A, USB-C, actually HDMI, so obviously everything you would need.
Yeah, I see it's pretty complete. And what size is this? What is the...
This is a 16-inch version, actually, right? So this is the first one which we equipped with the Lunar Lake CPU. And this is what we call the LG Gram Pro edition even. So that is a bit more, let's say, powerful even with regards to performance, mainly for capacity, memory and stuff, right?
Right. And then right here I can see that they have the sticker of the Core Ultra for Core Ultra 9. Does it also come in, you also have for other types of processors or types of configurations?
Well, basically, actually, Gram has always been equipped with Intel Core processors only, right? So we're having, not across the world, but in some regions we're having different versions of notebooks. But LG Gram, due to that, let's say, architecture, due to its lightweight capacity design, we are only using Intel Core processors for these.
That's awesome. No, it's great. I really love how slick it is and how clean. Frank, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.